Dropping off some supplies to a neighbor. Look at that.
All right, it's my turn. What do we got? Do you use a screwdriver?
Yeah, I use a screwdriver.
Wait a minute. You know what I have? I have something very special in my pocket. It's my See You at the Summit. Thank you, Joshua Bright, by the way, for these. Good shop. Gordon Bennett. Very sharp. Very sharp. We're still waiting for a few more things to come in. Can't wait for those. We ordered a, how do you pronounce it? Ryobi saw? Straight from Japan. It's gonna get here in April. And what is it now? January 25th? So you know it's coming from Japan. Alright, we've got, oh, it did come. It's got a separate handle. We've got some mallets, large, medium, small. We're also going to make a few of our own mallets. These are basically your timber chisels. They have a wood butt to them. So you do not want to use a metal hammer on this because it's going to destroy the butt of the timber chisel. So you use a softer material than metal, you use wood. And this is what you use to chisel away at the timbers. So, we've got some other rubber mallets. They work great, but the rubber ones, they kind of absorb some of the shock when sometimes you kind of need some of the shock to be able to munch through some of that material. But we also got a slick. So this is a chisel. We have 3 chisels. We've got an inch, inch and a half, and 2 inch. And these are, you know, they're thick, really strong, hardened steel, high quality stuff. Very sharp, very sharp. I drove one into my hand the other day, and they're made to remove large chunks of material. And this is a slick. You want it to be a little bit wider, so then you're averaging out the entire surface of the mortise or the tenon. Look at this thing. This is beautiful. And very sharp. Very sharp. But this is very long handle, so you can kind of really put your entire body weight into slicking and straightening out all the mortise and tenons. This is and it's got a slight curve to it. So if you look here, that way by the time that the blade hits and makes contact with what you're trying to remove, it's nice and flat, and it's not taking a deep bite into the grain, and it allows for very ergonomic use. So very, very cool tool.
And then start day 1 tomorrow. So move it out towards you all the way, as far as we can go, and then probably...
Do you want to get that plywood out maybe so you could have more reach back there?
Yeah, because I think if we move it
all
the way that way, we can pivot it out.
That'll be perfect.
That way, and pivot it out and maybe move your side back.
Yeah.
To keep it on balance, and then lower it down, roll the cart out, and lower the other side.
Sweet.